Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your models dance on Dress to Impress. So obviously you'll need these post packs to be able to do that. So go to the post section, select this and purchase the dance post pack. The K-pop post pack has one, and I think, well, the brown one has one, but you cannot purchase it anymore, but I'll show it to you guys. So the dance post pack has three, which is the duck walk, the worm, and the sprinkler. The K-pop one, I'm not sure this is a dance, but I mean, kind of. And then Swifty Tour, I think. Unfortunately, the Just Dance one isn't a dance move. But the one that's most likely like the dance is the one from the Brat Post pack. Unfortunately, you cannot purchase it anymore, but it's the Apple Dance. I think the apple's rotten right to the core. Na 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 na. I don't know the lyrics, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.